Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. And here comes the first way to check the battery level. Basically you can do it on the watch face because some of the watch faces display that info. So if you open the watch face menu by pressing and holding on the current watch face, scroll through it, you can look for something that shows you the battery level. For example, this one does. So if you apply this watch face, you will see the battery level right here. You can also adjust the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, you can tap on the settings icon under some of them, as you can see, and you can tap on it, then tap on the function, and let's look for the battery. Which category would it be? I believe it would be probably tools, right? No. Oh no, there it is, battery. You can select it and apply it right here. We can press the side button, then select the watch face again, and it will be applied with new changes. And here we have the battery level. Another way to check the battery level is to open the quick panel. So if you're on the home screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen, and on the quick panel, you will see the battery level right here in the top right corner. And last way is to open the menu. So press the side button, tap on the settings icon, scroll down, look for the battery menu, or icon rather, then tap on it to open the battery menu, and here we have the battery level. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face, and that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.